Hi there, it's Rachel, and today I'm going to be working with Sasha on some loose leash walking. I don't even have Sasha on the leash yet, and I'm here with all the other dogs so that I can kind of address her when she gets too excited. Whenever we pull out a leash, a dog knows which leash is there, so they get really excited and she kind of jumps, so I'll address the off issue. And then we're going to walk around. I'll see how she does with the distraction of the other dogs, and a lot of times they pull towards the gate because they think it's time to get to go home and they get to see their owner again. So I want to work on that, and we'll just see how it goes. So Sasha's already waiting.
Chris and Jumbo are going to jump off today.
Off, Sasha. Off. Off. Sit. Off. Sasha. Sit. Girl. Alright, so there's just turning my body away for the off. She was getting off, getting too excited, so you just kind of ignore her. Off, Layla. And with having the other dogs around, that kind of gets her energy up a little bit more and gets her a little more excited. So remember, for loose leash walking, hold the end of the leash, and we're going to head over off and see how she does. Sasha, this way. Bonnie, no. Okay, pretty good. Not pulling too much. She's doing well, so we're just going to keep walking around with the other dogs, and I'll see if she does start pulling. Remember, we have the back method, which is patting her leg or snapping our fingers and telling her back to get some slack in the leash, or the reverse method of turning 180 degrees and going the other direction, giving the leash a little wag and saying, Sasha, this way. So let's see. Off. No, Bonnie. Alright, now I'm going to go through this gate, so it'll be Sasha on her own, and we'll see if she pulls going through here. Sasha, sit. Wait. Sit. Sasha, sit. 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 Wait. Okay. So there I have her wait, good manners, going through gates, and with the distractions. Okay, Sasha, let's go. Okay. So she doesn't seem to want to pull much in this setting. It's mostly the jumping. I know that when you take her out, you have more of a problem with her pulling. So remember, when she does that, just stop. And so you plant your feet and either snap your fingers or pat your leg and say, Sasha, back. And she comes back just like that, so you get slack in the leash. Or when you're going out, okay, now put the camera over like that. Go like this. Sasha, this way. So there, when she started to pull, I just turned around and went the other direction. Now that's a little more difficult, especially if you're trying to get somewhere. So like coming out of the car to meet either me or Tamima for pickups in the morning, you don't want to be going back and forth. So the back method might work best. Sasha, back. Just like that. She seems pretty responsive. Now I know it's different because she is here with the other dogs and she's a little more tired, and so she's not just rearing to go like she is in the mornings, but it's still good to practice. Bonnie, still trying to practice here with the distractions of the other dogs. Sasha, back. Sasha, back. I can see, her nose does get her in trouble, so if you do have like a couple of treats that you can bring with her to kind of get her attention. We don't usually use treats for the loose leash walking, but I would suggest maybe working on Leave It as well, and use the treats to get her attention, possibly for loading up, because I know we have troubles with that. But overall, I think Sasha's done well today with the distractions of the other dogs. We were at least able to address her jumping by telling her off, making her sit and stop jumping before we put the leash on and things like that. So I think we'll just start getting more creative with Sasha in environments like this and kind of test her and see what she needs to work on. Alright, this was Rachel and Sasha, and we are working on our loose leash walking and off.